Today's November 16th, and there is some breaking news on the student loan world. This will be a quick video and update about the Senate Republicans trying to strike down SAVE. Today, I'm going to be talking about the news, the fact that it did not pass, and what does that mean for Americans? There's a media take on what it means, but I also, as a company that helps student loan borrowers, I want to talk about the larger implications. And I want to talk about, especially in light with the $10,000 to $20,000 of student loan forgiveness that didn't pass and what Biden did instead. It's ingenious. So ingenious as in, because he didn't get the 10 to 20,000 of loan forgiveness to pass, this is it's really a way to systematically get forgiveness for especially low to moderate earners, okay, systematically in a way that is legally allowed, as in he's legally allowed to reestablish and create new income-driven plans. That has never been legally debated. And so I think it's a really good way to create opportunity for low to moderate income Americans. And that gives pathway to getting $0 payments. Of course, there's implications to what getting $0 payments mean in terms of getting a mortgage and other financial products. So I'm going to talk about that instead. So let's first go into the news update. So the news update is really that the Senate Republicans failed to pass a resolution. They voted really along party lines. The Democrats aligning with the party, saying that they veto the Senate Republicans' effort to overturn Biden's new SAVE program. What the SAVE program does is, if you earn under $67,000 in your family of four, essentially your payment would be zero. So it's changing the discretionary income formula and allowing people to pay less. If it's increasing the poverty line in the formula, which makes sense because the cost of living has gone up. So if you're a family of four and you earn under $67,000, you basically don't make a payment. And also this coming year, it's not started yet, but in 2024, in around July, they're changing the percentage of what you have to pay towards your student loans for undergrad loans from 10% to 5%. So that's also noteworthy because that's literally cutting in half the payment that a person has to make, or more depending on the number of dependents. Okay, so I wanted to mention that already. Millions of people have already been enrolled in SAVE, and it didn't pass. The congressional Republicans that wanted to overturn it, it did not pass. SAVE is going to be in effect, and it means that millions of Americans will literally be able to pay $0 payments. That can be negative for a mortgage, though, because only Fannie Mae will accept $0 payments. So if you're trying to get a mortgage and you got enrolled automatically into SAVE and you have a $0 payment and your lender says you are not Fannie qualified, you are Freddie or FHA qualified, they cannot accept the $0 payment. They're going to use 0.5% of your balance. So if you have a $60,000 student loans, they're going to use $600. We have helped people and can help people in that situation. If you need help, we can help you. We can file a correction, recertify your paperwork. We can also give you expertise on what that means. We can also help you get additional and incremental forgiveness. Remember, we only have until December 31st to get access to the income-driven waiver program that gives additional counts towards loan forgiveness. Okay, if you don't know what that means, that essentially means years that you haven't paid can get counted towards loan forgiveness if you file the correct paperwork and or consolidate. I'm not trying to say everyone should consolidate. In fact, I do not recommend consolidating if you don't need to before December 31st of 2023. If any of this is relevant, you can get a completely free plan at myloansense.com. Please like, share, subscribe if you find this information helpful. This is a quick update. If you're a lender, loan officer, how we help you is you can sign up for free for a lender dashboard, and we can help your borrowers get the correct documentation and get on the right plan so that you can underwrite them for the mortgage product that you're trying to underwrite them, because so many people are going to get zero and that may disqualify them for the mortgage product you want. We can also turn portfolio loans into conventional loans. We're Freddie, Fannie, FHA guideline compliant. Hope this was helpful, please share, please subscribe. Let us know if you have questions, leave comments below. I will also link to the income driven on the SAVE program, and what discretionary income formula is. In the event you have questions about that, leave comments. We love to answer questions. Let us know how we can help.